Dear students, today let's learn to find the cube root of a number through estimation method. It's very easy method. We have some steps to follow. I'm going to explain here with the help of one example. Find the cube root of the number 4,05,224. Find the cube root of the number 4,05,224. The first step is form the groups of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit of the number. What it is? Here we are going to find the cube root of the number 4,05,224. We are going to group the 3 digits starting from the rightmost place. Rightmost place, it is the unit place, right? From the unit place, we are taking 3 digits together. Then again there is 3 digit. So this one is the first group and this one is the second group. So in the first step, we just group the given number into 3 digits each. It's from rightmost place onwards, from the unit place onwards. The second step is the first group decides the unit digit of the required cube root, right? So here we divide the number into the 2 groups like this. This one is the first group and this one is the second group. The unit digit of the cube root will decide by the first group. It is 224. So I have taken the first group, it is 224. Now the unit digit of 224, it is 4. Using the property of the cubes of natural number that we have learned in the same chapter itself, as property 2, we have learned that if a number has 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in the unit place, then its cube also end with the same digit. Did you remember? It is possible for the cube root also, correct? So if a number is having 4 in the unit digit, so clearly the unit digit of its cube root will be 4. So from the first group, we got the unit digit of the required cube root. Let's move to the step 3. If no group left, then the number obtained in the second step is the cube root of the number. But if the second group exists, then it will decide the 10th digit of the required cube root, right? Here, for our number, the second group exists and the second group is 405. So this number 405 decides the 10th digit of the required cube root. For that, we have to know the cubes of the natural numbers. From this table, we can see that 405 lies between 7 cube and 8 cube. Am I right? The number is 405. It is the second group. 7 cube is 343 and 8 cube is 512. So we can write 405 in between 7 cube and 8 cube. Now we have to choose the smallest digit from these two. 7 and 8, the smallest is 7. So we can choose the 10th digit of the required cube root as 7. So the unit digit is 4 and the tens digit is 7. If no group is left, then the digits obtained in step 2 and step 3, it decides the cube root of the given number. And we got the unit digit as 4 and the tens digit as 7. So the cube root of the given number 4,05,224, it is 74. You can check it by multiplying 74 into 74 into 74. Try it. Let us consider one more example. Here we need to find the cube root of 1,75,616. So what is the first step? The first step is form the group of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit or the unit digit. So here we are going to form the 2 groups. Which are the 2 groups? It's starting from the rightmost, the unit place. So you can consider this one as the first group and this one as the second group, right? In the next step, we have to consider the first group number 616. This number decides the unit digit of the required cube root of the number, right? Yeah. How can we find the unit digit? Yes, we have to find the unit digit of this number. Which is this number? It is 6. And we have learned in the property that if 6 comes in the unit digit of the cube number, then clearly the unit digit of the cube root will be 6 itself. So we got the unit digit as 6. Now we have to consider the second group. Here the second group exists. It is 175. Yes, 175. This number decides the tens digit, right? Tell me, 175 is in between which cube? We have 5 cube equal to 125 and 6 cube equal to 260. 175 lies between 125 and 260. In another way, it lies between 5 cube and 6 cube. We will consider the numbers 5 and 6. Which is the smaller number? 5 is the smaller number. So, the tens digit of the cube root is 5. So, the cube root of the given number, it is 1,75,616. It is 56. Let's do one more problem. Find the cube root of 19,683. Tell me, what is the first step? The first step is form the group, right? Yes. How we are going to form the group? By taking 3 digits from unit place. Yeah. So, how can we divide this number? From unit place, we are taking 3 digits. So, this one is the first group. This one is the second group. To find the unit digit, we have to consider the first group, right? Which is the first group number? It is 683. In the number 683, we are considering the unit digit 3. Just think, anything you have learned in the property with 3 as the unit digit? Yes, we have learned that if a cube number ends with 3, then its cube root clearly ends with 7, that we have learned in the property of cubes. So, the unit digit is 7. Here also the second group exists. The second group, it is 19. Just think, 19 is in between which two cubes? It is between 8 and 27. 8 means it is 2 cube. 27 is 3 cube. So we can write 2 cube less than 19 less than 3 cube. So we are considering the numbers 2 and 3. Which is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest number. So the tens digit of the cube root, it is 2. Yes. So we got the unit digit as 7. Tens digit as 2. So the cube root of the number 19,683. It is 27.
Dear all, we complete the first term portions. Since the first terminal examinations are starting, we will do some worksheets in the coming week. Kindly complete the exercise, MCQ and all given in the textbook and prepare well for the examinations. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Onam. Take care.